Come on, kids, let's listen to the picture story with Faheem Shaheen. The Cunning Fox and the Crow. Once upon a time, in a big forest, there lived a clever fox and a crow. One sunny day, the crow found a delicious piece of cheese. He flew up to a tree branch and held the cheese in his beak. The fox saw the crow and the cheese. He wanted the cheese for himself. Hello, Mr. Crow, said the fox. You have most beautiful voice in the forest. Can you sing for me? Feeling happy, the crow opened his beak to sing. But as he did, the cheese fell to the fox. The fox took the cheese and ran away. The crow felt sad because it lost its cheese. From that day on, the crow was more careful and never lost his food again. The crow learned a valuable lesson. Don't trust overly nice people who flatter you more than necessary. The end. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.